Okay, so the very first thing that I saw was the hyaluronic acid, and it's in the 2%, and it also has B5. So I purchased this one because I was looking for something that would help hydrate my skin, and I'm going to be reading to you what hyaluronic acid is. So it's naturally found within your body, and it increases your skin's moisture. It makes it very moist, supple, and hydrated, and it's able to draw and hold water, and it can be used as a humectant in your skincare regimen. So it also says it's a hydration support formula with ultra pure vegan hyaluronic acid. So this would be the very first thing that you would apply, and this is what I do after I cleanse my skin with the Biore cleanser, something more gentle. And then I move into nicotinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. So what I do not like so far about their Ordinary brand is that they have a lot of different products, and you have to do a lot of research to figure out what do these products do and how do you layer these products properly, so that way you do not irritate your skin and cause any more damage than what is already existing. I purchased quite a few things, and I was sitting in Sephora for one good minute trying to figure out what products do I buy, why do I buy them, what is it going to do to my face, and doing some research about it. So the hyaluronic acid was to me, it was pretty much common sense. You know, hyaluronic, hydro, it's water, it's going to add in that moisture. But the nicotinamide with the zinc wasn't something that I fully understood, so I'm going to tell you guys what it does. So nicotinamide is B3, it's naturally vitamin, and what it does is it reduces the appearance of skin blemishes and congestion, and it can reduce pigmentation, dark spots, and scars that appear on the surface of the skin. So it's a combination of high strength vitamins and minerals that work to reduce skin imperfections. So it's designed to reduce the appearance of skin imperfections and congestion, reduce blemishes, redness, enlarge pores and oily skin, and promotes clear, brighter, and smoother skin. And you're not supposed to use it with vitamin C, which is a product that I have used before from a different brand. It was okay, didn't really see a notable difference, so I don't use it anymore. But what I basically understood this product to do is it helps repair your skin. So if you are going through like a pimple or a breakout, it's gonna promote the regeneration of your skin and repair any damage that's already there. So that's what I'm going to be using, nicotinamide with the zinc. So the next product that I got was alpha arbutin 2% plus HA, and here's what it looks like. And why I got this is because I have hyperpigmentation, so I wanted a product that would be able to help fade that. And this product does that very gently. So alpha arbutin, a derivative of hydroquinone. Hydroquinone has some wicked side effects. It basically brightens your skin, also known as like bleaching. And it works really, really well, but alpha arbutin is a derivative of that, and it brightens your skin, but without any of those riskier side effects. So use it along with it. It absolutely says that sunscreen, anything that brightens your skin, lightens your skin, or essentially targets melanocytes that will contribute to the hyperpigmentation of your scars. It's going to reduce that, which will then reduce your skin barrier that will protect against the UV rays, which is why you have to use sunscreen. So I'll obviously already use sunscreen, so I recommend that if you haven't been using sunscreen, that likely will be the missing answer for you when it comes to your skincare. So I use this now for 2 days in a row, and what I've noticed is that it lightly kind of peels your skin very, very lightly. I have used Rene, where I literally woke up with my skin shedding, and it was really, really weird, but kind of cool as well. The alpha arbutin does this as well, very lightly, and that's why it's recommended. Again, I'm stressing to use sunscreen. It's really great, as I said, when it comes to fading any skin discoloration, or when it comes to fading hyperpigmentation, which is something that I have, so that's why I got it. The next product that I got is the salicylic acid, and it also is in 2%, which is typically the concentration that salicylic acid comes in. And what it does is it unclogs your pores. So if you're having like whiteheads or blackheads, this is the product that you can use in order to unclog your pores and ensure that your pores are open, they're breathing, and that way you can go ahead and follow with the other skincare products to make sure that they're working effectively. For this one, you use it after cleansing, and for all of the products, you can apply them in the morning and in the nighttime. I will only be using the hyaluronic acid in the morning and the niacinamide in the morning, and I will be using and only using the alpha arbutin in the nighttime. The last product that I got is the glycolic acid 7% toning solution. I got the biggest bottle because I thought, why not? It does exactly what it is. We know when it comes to acids, it's also going to lightly exfoliate the skin by removing the first layer of those skin cells and making sure that the new ones that are coming out, they're bright, they're fresh, and basically people use this on other dark spots as well. So I've also seen women use this under their arms if their arms are dark, or on their kneecaps if the kneecaps are dark, or other areas within your body that are darker if you have any dark spots or excessive hyperpigmentation. So that's what I'm going to be using this product for. But essentially, if I'm going to be using this on my face, I would use this likely maybe twice a week, only with the hyaluronic acid, only with the hyaluronic acid and nothing else, and then just following up with like a really great moisturizer. So these are the products that I have. I pretty much picked up everything that my happy heart could find because I'm a skincare junkie. Not that that should be a surprise to anyone, especially if you have struggled with hyperpigmentation and breakouts and you have tried everything in the book. I have tried some really shady and risky and crazy things that, by the mercy and grace of God, that I survived. Okay, so I tried some really crazy stuff that worked, that have helped my skin, but I didn't want to continue down that path. So I figured out some other holy grail and staple items, and now I'm really excited to be trying the Ordinary brand. Hopefully I can come back and give you guys a review of what my skin is going to look like in the next 30 days to at least minimum of 90 days. I know that overnight results are not typically something that happens when you're first starting out with a new product. When it comes to the Retin A, I have absolutely seen overnight results. Thank God. If I'm getting like any type of breakout, once I spot, treat that pimple that's rising, it literally decreases, I would say, by more than 50%, maybe 50 to 70%. Like it's barely visible. So the Retin A definitely for me works overnight, but I'm really excited to be trying these products, and I cannot wait to come and show you what my skin looks like in the next few months.